I've been told to say this, and yes, I am doing this against my will. Junaid said all I gotta tell you is we continue with the Mazda. He said if I don't tell you, I don't know where I'll end up. So that's what we're doing. Wait. Waiting for Junaid. Let's go. Junaid. Where are you? Oh, what are we doing today?
We're finishing the Mazda, the interior.
Is that it?
Yep.
Anything else?
No.
Why you have the GoPro in your hand?
I'm putting it on the wall, that's dead.
What? What? Whoa.
I didn't charge it, did I?
Yeah. That's what I say. You gotta be prepared to be unprepared, but prepared.
You don't even charge your shit.
I did this morning.
Yeah.
Yeah, what you gonna say about that?
Dumb cop.
So, if you don't know what's happening today,
4%, even worse.
you guys killed it with the likes, so we're riding the bike today. I wish. This is what you guys don't see behind the scenes.
The geniusness in this shit.
Genius. Tell me more jokes.
Would you have thought of this?
I was the one that brought it up to you last time.
Oh, bullshit. Mirror. Oh, no, mirror. Window.
Yeah.
There.
Yeah. Come, let's go. Any words of inspiration?
No.
Okay. While Junaid's not here, we can have a little fun. Right? While Junaid's not here, we can have some fun. Okay? Ugh. Why is it disgusting? Don't tell Junaid. See me? Can you see me? Everybody was kung fu fighting. Hoo! Ha! Yeah! Get a bucket. Okay, bucket. What do we have to get next? About all the
What is this for?
all the equipment you wanted.
Just the shampoo kit.
Yeah, there's it.
Oil.
I thought it was shampoo. Ah, dick sauce. Yeah, shampoo.
Ladies and gentlemen, I think my brain just committed suicide.
Fuck you, God. What are you doing?
The intensity in his facial expressions. You can see his pimples popping up. That's a vacuum.
That's a shampoo kit. That's a vacuum.
Oh.
That.
Oh, why don't you just tell me?
I reckon we don't need to.
Can we try to get the boot open?
We need to start the battery. We're not doing that again.
Oh, okay.
I'll get jumper cables in Auckland this weekend. Then we can.
I got jumper cables.
Next time, bring it, you dumb cop.
Never asked. Oh! Wait. There's a spider.
Hey, no!
It's not focusing. It's not focusing. It's not focusing.
Yeah, good. Don't record dumb shit.
Look how cute it is.
We've got enough dumb shit on the last video.
Yeah, you. Ooh, burn. You didn't have to cut me off. You know, like, oh wait, there's a camera right there too. Wait, okay, hold on. You know, Janae don't say it all the time, but like, I do want to say I appreciate every single 24 of you guys that subscribe. You know, gotta show appreciation too, you know. So thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you. Wait, is this even... Oh, it is. Lol. Wait a minute. Is it upside down? Or am I upside down? Nice. What's your name? I'm lonely. Shut up! Shush. Wow. Getting sidetracked. Do not spray me, I beg. Please do not.
Dylan, stay out of my way.